everyone, welcome to Chemgiris Concepts. If you are the type that like educational content that is fun and creative, then always tap the bell for more updates. Today we're exploring something sweet, colorful, and yummy. Fruits! What are fruits? Fruits are part of plants that we eat. Fruits come in many shapes, sizes, and colors, and they grow on trees, shrubs, and even small plants. Examples of fruits are apple, orange, watermelon, coconut, pawpaw. Examples of fruits are grapes, avocado, mango, lime, pineapple. Importance of fruits. Fruits keeps us healthy. Fruits makes us strong. Fruits helps us to see well. Fruits helps our tummy. Fruits helps us to grow well. Fruits make our skin bright and fresh. Okay, let's go on break to reset.
Fruits, fruits, yummy fruits. Fruits are parts of plants we eat. Fruits, fruits, juicy fruits. Sweet and healthy, fun to eat. Examples of fruits: orange, O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange is sweet, orange is bright, a tasty fruit I love to bite. Mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango yellow, mango fine, soft and juicy every time. Pow, pow, P-A-W, P-A-W. Pawpaw soft and pawpaw sweet, a lovely fruit I love to eat. Apple, P-P-L-E, apple red and apple green, crunchy fruit that keeps me clean. Grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes so tiny, grapes so round, purple, green, all yummy found. Lemon, L-E-M-O-N, lemon sour, lemon bright, good for juice in morning light. Pineapple, P-I-N-P-A-P-P-L-E. Pineapple spiky, pineapple sweet, golden fruit that's fun to eat. Coconut, C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut water, coconut white, healthy drink that feels so right. Avocado, V-O-C-A-D-O. Avocado, soft and green, good for growing strong and clean. Watermelon, W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-L-O-M. Watermelon, big and sweet, red and juicy, what a treat. Fruits, fruits, yummy fruits. Fruits are parts of plants we eat. Fruits, fruits, juicy fruits. Sweet and healthy, fun to eat. Fruits, fruits, yummy fruits. Fruits are parts of plants we eat. Fruits, fruits, juicy fruits. Sweet and healthy, fun to eat.
Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Now you know that fruits are parts of plants that we eat, and they help us stay healthy and strong. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in our next exciting lesson. Bye!